Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to Train Time. Hope everyone had a great holiday season and a wonderful new year. Today we're going to be looking at new models as usual. We're going to take a special look at the California Southern Model Railroad, and we are going to have our prize drawing, but we also have a special little segment of a quick Railfan trip that I recently took here out to the Sunset Line here in Southern California, and I wanted to share that with you. We're going to have an actual full video of that coming soon. Let's check it out. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Train Time. Today we're taking a little adventure on the rails. We're out here, sunset route, chasing the sun, watching UP trains, having a great day. Okay, well, make sure to keep your eye on the channel because the full video of that Railfanning trip is going to come out very soon. So let's get started here with the HO scale new model releases and announcements. Up first, from Athearn, we have the Genesis HO SD70M-2 diesel locomotive. The model will come fully assembled and ready to run. DCC Ready features a quick plug-and-play technology with a 21-pin NEM connector. The locomotive is scaled from prototype resources including drawings, field measurements, photographs, and more. Included are accurately painted and printed paint schemes, coupler cut levers, flexible rubber MU hoses, flexible rubber trainline hoses, see-through cab windows, a full cab interior, walkway tread, etched see-through steps, fine scale Celcon handrails for scale appearance, windshield wipers, lift rings, wire grab irons, detailed fuel tank with fuel fillers, fuel gauges, and breather pipes, sander lines, McHenry scale knuckle couplers, a Genesis driveline with a 5-pole skew-wound motor, flywheels, multi-link drivetrain, all-wheel drive drivetrain with precision gears for smooth and quiet operation, all-wheel electrical pickup provides reliable current flow, wheels with RP25 contours, works with all popular brands of tracks, LED lighting for realistic appearance, a heavy die-cast frame, and sound-equipped models will also feature an onboard DCC decoder with Soundtrek Tsunami 2 sound. They will operate in both DC and DCC. Full DCC functions will be available and operate in DCC mode. Engine, horn, and bell sounds all work in DC. All functions are NMRA compatible in DCC mode. precision slow speed control, program an MU lash up with the lead unit only, the horn, bell, and lights. Many functions can be altered via the CV configuration changes, and a CV chart will be included in the box. And these will be released in a couple different road names. We're going to have a couple different numbers from Norfolk Southern, a few from Florida East Coast, Vermont Railway, Providence and Worcester, Canadian National, including one of the new heritage units, the Grand Trunk Western Heritage Unit. That'll be pretty cool. Really excited to see that one. And up next is Rapido's E8. All of Rapido's models are very, very accurate and highly detailed. Expect no less from this model. This tends to be possibly the most highly detailed E8 ever produced for model railroading, HO scale. Rapido's E8 model features a 3D laser scan body shell, accurate nose and roof contours, 7 different noses, 3 different back ends, 2 different sides with and without lifting lug covers, 3 different steam generator options, 36-inch fan or 48-inch fan or even non-dynamic brake options, single or dual headlight configurations, freight or passenger pilots, 3 styles of side grills, original porthole sides or rebuilt with blank sides, skirted and non-skirted fuel tanks, original square and slotted or Hyatt roller bearing journal boxes, heavy die-cast chassis, smooth running drive system with all wheels powered, complete lighting effects, headlights, class lights, backup lights, ground lights, cab lights, and more. Numerous road-specific detail parts in both plastic and etched metal. I'm excited for this one. As we can see, many different road names are being offered. These road names do have road-specific detail parts as well. The list is immense. I can't wait for these locomotives to hit the shelves and the track. You definitely know I'll be recording them. Let me know which locomotive you're more excited about, guys, in the comments. The Rapido or the Athearn. And that was a quick look at some new models that are coming out soon, so make sure you get your pre-orders in, guys. Now, let's move on to some personal models. Okay, now to the personal models section. This is a little different this week. We're going to be showcasing the business train here of the California Southern Model Railroad Club. The California Southern Model Railroad Club is a model railroad club, HO scale, located in Norwalk, California. I'm a longtime member myself, and several of my friends are as well. The entire layout is DCC. This train represents a California Southern Officer Special. The California Southern is a fictitious railroad that basically parallels the Santa Fe's main line from Los Angeles to Kansas City. This would be a business train that we would typically see out on the line, giving officers and executives previews and tours. The train is equipped with head-end power, as we can see here the power car going by. All cars in the consist are Walthers cars that are custom painted, and the final car at the rear end, the observation car, is a Cato business car. This train was created by Janik. Janik custom painted the engines and the cars. Janik is also a longtime member of the California Southern Model Railroad and a very upstanding member in the HO scale community. Some of you might be familiar with him. The power that Janik chose to lead the Officer Special is a California Southern custom-painted GP40-2W Exco Transit and an Alco PA that the California Southern has restored, now uses to lead excursion trains. Both engines are manufactured by Athearn Trains. Now, the business train doesn't run too often, so that's why when you see it out, gotta make sure you capture it. Thank you, Janik, for making this train possible. It sure is beautiful, and I can't wait to see the progress of it in the evolution. And as usual, all scenes were filmed at the California Southern Model Railroad in Norwalk, California. All right, it's that time of the show where we have a little fun. Not that every segment isn't fun on this show, because every segment is, but we're going to have more fun at this point. We are going to choose a winner on this spinny wheel. So let's get the spinny wheel started and figure out who the winner of this prize is going to be. Now remember, the way to enter the prize drawing is comment on the episode and you will be entered in the following episode's prize drawing. All right, let's do this. Where will the wheel stop? We don't know. Oh, Boston Railfanner. Congratulations, my friend. You have won Train Time Episodes 3's grand prize. Very good, very good. Get a hold of me, or I'll get a hold of you somehow. I'll send you an email and just reply back, and we'll get that all sorted out for you. Congratulations, Boston Railfanner. Thank you for being very supportive of Train Time and being a loyal viewer since the very beginning. And that about does it for this episode of Train Time. Stay tuned to Hybrid Hobby for more product reviews, more Train Time episodes, more rail fanning videos, and just more railroading stuff in general. Have a good one. I will see you guys soon. Stay safe.